Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today I'm sharing a layout using the Rachel Jefferies and Lynn Grieveson Hear My Voice number 41 called Awakening. And today I'm not really going to talk about my process. I want to talk to us as women, as crafters, as moms, as human beings. I was thinking about how long I've been documenting my own healing journey, and these collections have helped me document my journey of healing, and I've kind of lately evolved that from healing, thinking of it as a healing journey, to a growth journey. And that has resulted in one of my favorite things about this layout is the photo that I took of myself as a confident, self-assured woman who knows what she believes and who is confidently able to speak what she believes. And that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to call on you as well. I believe that families deserve resources and access to our country. I believe that families deserve health care and to be able to stay with their children. And I believe that families deserve to sleep safe at night without the worry that they're going to be bombed. And I believe that America has lost sight of that and has completely turned against that. And I believe that it is time, way past time, for us to stand confidently and speak what we know about ethics and morals and integrity and doing the right things and knowing what the right things are. And this is your call as well, to galvanize, to stand together and speak what we know is the truth. Especially as women, especially as mothers to children who are vulnerable and who are looking to us for safety and love and care and acceptance. And we often think, well, in order to do that, we have to do something really big. But I'm here to say that you don't have to do anything really big. Just where you are is enough. In your families, in your churches, in your community, in your schools. They may ask you to leave. They may boo you. They may shut you up. But you said it. They may escort you out. I don't know what will happen to us as we speak and as we get louder and galvanize more together and as more people speak. But I believe we have to speak it. And I think that it's never been more important than now because of America's influence around the world. And this is specifically to Americans. That this is what we need to do. And so I want to invite you to speak with me. Speak here. Speak wherever you are. That your voice has power. You may not believe it. And I want to encourage you as well. It took me a while to get here. And it may take you a while to get there. It took a lot of healing for me. I grew up with people who thought that I had crazy ideas, who listened to me ask questions that nobody else was brave enough to ask. And over the years in my 30s and 40s, I let that beat me down. And the last 6 years, 8 years, I've been dismantling that and stepping away from "you're crazy" comments to "no, I'm not crazy. I'm the one speaking truth here. I'm the only one that's willing and brave enough to ask these questions." And I documented that journey in 2020 and 2021 through Light the Path. And that was a wonderful journal project, art journal and scrapbooking project that I did for 2 years. And these days I use Rachel Jefferies collections that she does with Lynn Grieveson to document more of that journey, of my journey to knowing who I am and knowing what is right and wrong, and being able to identify for myself what integrity truly is. And so I invite you to do the same. Create art today. Celebrate what you know to be right, and stand in that power. Thanks so much for watching and for listening today. I'd love to hear from you. As always, I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.